Just actually Hello YouTube, this is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, gagawa ako ng day to night makeup look. Wala lang, naisipan ko lang mag-video just in case you would want to know how I do it. And I just would want to share to you how I do my day makeup and how I do my night makeup. Okay, so without further ado, let's proceed with my day to night makeup look. So first of all, you'll have to prep your skin. So naghilamos na ako, nag-moisturizer. Tapos naglagay ako nitong Human Nature Rose Dew Mist. This is really very helpful in hydrating your skin. So yeah, and then after that, nag-primer na ako. So we will start with the foundation. So this is a day makeup. So ang gagawin nyo is just a very simple and natural makeup. Of course, bubunggahan mo na yung foundation mo. Kasi suot-suot mo ito from day to night. Excited pala ako ipakita sa inyo itong new background ko. Tell me if you like it. Comment down below. Gusto ko sanang bumili nung usong-usong ngayon, yung background na may sequence, yung may glitters, shining, shimmering, splendid, ganun. Kaso, pumunta ako doon sa Tela Shop. 440 ang meters. Wala akong pera, bes. So, tiyagaan na muna natin yan for now. Okay, next is your concealer. Pagkatapos natin mag-concealer, syempre magkikilay. So, after magkilay, mag-eyeshadow ko, pero ito lang yung gagamitin kong eyeshadow. You can use 2 shades if you like, pero wala lang, gusto ko lang na parang natural looking lang yung natin day makeup. So let's just keep it simple. Liquid eyeliner. Do not forget to contour your face. May naririnig kayong ulan, guys. Umuulan talaga, guys. Ang timing talaga ng ulan niyan, guys. Naku, hindi ko pala naset yung mukha ko ng powder. Ano yun? Nakalimutan ko. Siyempre, lalagyan natin yung ilong na yan. Kasi kung wala itong nose contour, alam nyo na, wala din tayong ilong. And so, actually yung ginamit ko na blush parang merong highlight na. So, yan na po yung, that's what I came up with, the day look. Okay? So, picture-picture muna tayo. ating day look. Now, gagawin natin itong night look. So, what you just need to do is just make your look bolder. So, you use darker shades instead of yung lighter shades like browns. You can actually you can use browns. However, yung parang darker shades ng brown, or you just have to deepen the colors. Okay, so let's start with our kilay. So since tapos na tayo sa ating foundation routine, is going to be the same thing. So ang gagawin lang natin is kakapalan natin yung kilay natin and kakapalan natin yung eye look. And so, let's proceed. And then smoke out natin. Dadagdagan natin. Yeah, we'll put highlight. Glow for the gods. Alright, so this is what I came up with, the night look. So, from day look, dagdagan niyo lang yung kilay nyo to make it look fuller. Tsaka lagyan niyo lang ng dark shades, yung eyeshadows nyo to create a dramatic eye makeup. I chose the black one because, wala lang. Gusto ko lang talagang maging bold yung look niya. And with this eye look, you can use the nude lipstick or the brown lipstick that we have used in the day makeup. But if you would want to spice it up a little bit more, you can use dark lipsticks or you can use red lipsticks for this. So yeah, this is it. This is the final look for the night makeup. So I hope you enjoyed watching. That's all. Thank you. Ciao.